Hello, everyone, and welcome to Studvest YouTube channel. I know you guys are here because you want to invest and you want to earn returns on it, but let's not be in a hurry and make hasty decisions. Let's first understand what Studvest is all about. I am a 19-year-old university student in my second year, and I'm doing computer science. I started investing about in 2021, 2020 to 2021, and I invested, just not me, it was a combined pool. So we invested about $125,000. It was a combined pool, just not of me. It had many other students, it had many other players, it had many other stakeholders. And we converted that amount of money into $500,000. So that was an amazing achievement. And it was an amazing achievement considering that we did not know anything about investment. We did not know anything about, how things are done, but kind of somehow we managed to convert $125,000 to $500,000. And on the process, we had a lot of pitfalls, we had a lot of scams, we had a lot of, bad days, and we had a lot of good days as well. Okay. Now, you might have noticed a year or 2 years ago, there was a hype for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was going all the way up to $60,000. Yeah, it was going up to $60,000, and people were making money out of NFTs. People were making money out of everything, and I'm pretty sure you guys must have invested some sort of your money into it, right? But I am 100% sure whatever you had invested, it came crashing down almost to $0, almost, or giving you a lot of losses. So the reason that it happened was markets work like that. It's supply and demand. So there is always a upward run in the market, and then there is a downward run in the market. So what we fail to understand is we kind of get in over here, and then we think it's going to go project, it's going to go up from here. But unfortunately, people who bought over here, okay, they're going to sell over here, and the market is going to go down at any time, right? So if I show you the pattern that's being followed, let me show you over here. And this is the pattern for cryptocurrencies. Let me just yeah. So if you see here, it was all flat. It goes up. People buy in over here at the top point, thinking it'll go further up. No, then it comes down. It goes up, then it comes down. It goes up, it comes down. It goes up, it comes down. It goes up, it comes down. Now, the point why I'm trying to tell this to you is, and the point why you're listening to this video right now, is because right now is the right time to buy in. And the reason because it went up, it's coming down, and it's going to go back up. So you see, it comes down and it's going to go back up, right? So now is like the perfect or the appropriate time to buy into this coin, or whatever you want to say, to invest or whatever. Let me show you a NASDAQ chart. Let me show you an S&P 500 chart. So if you see the S&P 500 chart in 5 years, or I think in 5 years. Yeah, so if you see this, it went up, it comes down, right? So it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, right? So if you see the maximum, it goes up, it comes down, 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 it goes up, it comes down. So markets are always going to be like this, that they increase in price and then they fall down. They increase in price and then they fall down. Many investors put their money in when the market is at the top position, over here at the top position, right? They put it in the top part and then they expect to gain profits from it, but all they get is losses. Anyways, from this past experience of converting $125,000 to $500, I want to share tips and tricks to all of the fellow students out there because this was achieved by a student and we can do the same. Now, nobody has $100,000 lying around here and there, because we were able to achieve $125,000 because it was a fund that was, that had many thousands of students in them, that had their parents involved in them, and it turned into a $125,000 fund. This time, we all are planning to go solo, and it's much better going solo because going in a fund has a lot of problems as well. So, of course, I personally don't have that amount of money as well. You personally won't have that money as well. So, what we're going to do is we are going to keep in mind that we don't have a lot of money. So this this channel is different from other channels in such a way that we keep in mind we do not have a lot of money, right? We do not have a lot of dollars or money or whatever you want to say. Okay. The second thing we want to see here is what we do have, we have a lot of time. Okay. Since if you're 19, if you're 17, if you're 18, we are still young and we have time for our assets to grow. And we have to be patient for that. But the biggest asset we have right now is time, because anyone investing in their 50s does not have that much of time to gain reward from what we have in, right? Perfect. So keeping these two things in mind, that we don't have a lot of money and we have a lot of time, what assets we're going to look into? We're going to look into these kind of assets which have huge potential, okay? Huge potential. They have huge potential and they are very cheap. Okay, forgive my handwriting. They're very cheap and they're very cheap and they have the huge potential to increase. So let's say if a token is at, if a coin is at $0.001, okay, and it goes all the way up to $0.1, okay, the amount of money you make over here is 100x, right? Your investment is grown by 100 times, right? So we are going to look into coins which are like this. They're like in they're double zeros. They have double zeros. You can get too many assets out of them, and we're going to invest in them, and they have the potential over the coming 2 or 3 years to increase in value, right? Now, I want to show you something. Let's say our token is $0.001 and we invest $10 into it. How many tokens do you think we will get? We'll get about 10,000 tokens. 10,000 tokens. Now imagine this 10,000 tokens if the price reaches to $1, $0.1. Okay, so that would be 10,000. I'm just going to write 10K into 0.1 equals to $1K. From an investment of $10, you got $1,000 out, right? So this is the student investment plan. We are going to invest in coins which are lower in price and have the potential to go 100x or whatever. Let's say we invested $10 right now into Bitcoin. Okay, what is the Bitcoin price right now? It's at 27,121. Let's say if I invested $10, I would get 0.00037. This would give me 0.00037. Okay. Now, if the price of Bitcoin, which is already quite high, okay, and if it increases to its maximum peak, let's say $65,000. So let me just do a quick calculation. So 0.00037 into $65,000. Even if Bitcoin reaches to $65K, you would be getting just $24. So what's the point? Did you invest your money, wait for 2-3 years just to get like what two times the amount of money you put in, right? No, right? So what we need to do is we need to find these kind of potential coins or tokens, which are called gem coins. These have to be gem coins. And these gem coins, if we invest in them and if we hold them, because what is the biggest asset we young people have is time. Time is the biggest asset we have. We just need to wait. We just need to wait patiently. We buy in a good asset, we wait, and there you go. There's your profit, right? Just I want to show you something. Okay, let's have a look at Google's stock. Okay, imagine you are a university student in 2010. Okay, Google stock was trading at $13. Okay, now you were a graduate or you just got into university or whatever it is. Okay, let's say you just got into university in 2010, and you buy into, let's say every month you buy one share for the next 4 years, right? So for the next 4 years, the price is quite constant, about $20. So let's say $15 is the average. So let me just do a quick calculation. I'll just open up the calculator here for you. So $15, right? And for 4 years, so 4 into 12, we have 48 months, and then you spend $15, okay? So you spend a total of $720 across the 4 years, and you would have 48 shares of Google, okay? So how much? So 48 months, $720. You would have gotten 48 shares for $720 for 1 month. If you bought one share of Google, okay? Now, the current price of Google is $101, and that's not even looking at the peak. This is at the bottom because the market has fallen down. So it's 101. So let's say if we had 48 shares into 101, wow, isn't that amazing? So you have $4,848 in a bad market. Just imagine you buy in for 4 years, okay? And then the price starts increasing, it increases. Here's the biggest thing. The biggest asset we young people have is time. And this is something that we need to understand. Our time is the most important asset we have. And if we find out some good gem projects and we invest into those are the projects that are going to give us return on investment, right? And it's not only in cryptocurrencies, it's also available in your normal NASDAQ, S&P 500 investing, right? So you can buy into these as well. You can buy into cryptocurrencies as well, although cryptocurrency has a more higher risk, higher reward ratio. But yeah, so this is the thing. Again, let me remind you quickly. So we have time, okay? We don't have a lot of money, but we have time. We can invest the little money we have and wait and wait and wait. Just like Google exploded, we just need to wait. We just need to find certain coins that can explode, and there you go. We made our money. The biggest thing is to start early. Start early. The best time to invest was yesterday, and the second best time to invest is today, right now. In the next upcoming videos, I'll be telling you how can you get started investing, and if there is a high demand as well, I can create a small group as well, a private group, where we can allow exclusive access to secret tricks and tips, right? So an exclusive group, because I personally spend a lot of time researching on projects and a lot of tokens and coins on what to invest, and I spend a lot of time as well. So there can be a possibility that I create a paid exclusive group just for the students, and where I can share my findings. Okay, so on the YouTube channel, you will find the mindset you need to develop, right? The mindset you need to develop in terms of making due diligence on a project, in terms of how to invest in a project, what are the fundamentals. But in the exclusive group, what you can find is actual coins and actual tokens. Now, the reason I don't disclose them on the YouTube is because I have spent my own time researching those. I, at times, my entire weekends go by in researching coins and finding out which is the next big potential, right? So again, I am using my time and I am asking a fair price for that. And you would be then able to access all the exclusive gems that I researched. And yeah, so that's it for me from this video. And I'll see you in the next video. And I will definitely share more about the exclusive group later on. Do let me know in the comment sections and let me know what are your thoughts about this video. If you like this video, do give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.